So I do have this very simple animation, and it is driven by this drop-down menu. So whatever item I choose from this drop-down menu will automatically update the graphic. Now, I do want to convert this composition into a template. And to do that, just click anywhere in your composition and click on Open in Essential Graphics. You'll see this panel show up in here, and you drag any properties that you want in here. And based on what properties you drag in here, that's what you're going to be able to adjust in other compositions. We're going to change the name of this to states. We're going to get rid of this panel. We're going to go to US map composition. We're going to bring in our title, and we're going to duplicate it a few times. And then we're going to position them like this. And then I'm going to select all three of them, press Control F to search for states property. Now for the first composition, we're going to change it from Indiana to Alabama. And then this one, let's change it to Florida. And then the last one here, we're going to change it to Georgia. And then we're going to position Alabama right here where Alabama is, and then Florida down here. And then the last one's going to be Georgia. And just like that, we used one single composition many times as a template.